Alright guys, so here I'm at this Target, and as you can see, looks like they dumped some cases in here. I'm gonna dig through really quick, and I'll show you guys what I picked up. Catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so this is what I picked up. It's Porsche 935 Red Edition's Trofeo. Picked up this Pontiac GTO. Picked up this 2016 Ford GT. I picked up another Lancia. Very cool. I picked up this Subaru WRX. Very cool. I picked up this Ford GT. Very cool. Picked up this cool Bug. Picked up this Ford Bronco. I picked up this Jaguar. Very cool. Picked up this Beamer. Very nice. I picked up this 1985 Honda CRX. And I picked up another Subaru. Very nice. I picked up this Nissan GTR R35. Picked up another Bronco. Picked up this Honda Civic. This is a very nice casting. Today was a great day, guys. I picked up the Cyclone in blue. Very nice. Picked up this Toyota off-road truck, Red Edition. Very cool. I picked up this 32 Ford, another Red Edition. Very cool. And last but not least, another Pontiac GTO. Alright guys, that was my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.